Hey everyone, what's going on? We're going to give you guys an update on this Tremec conversion, but first what we want to do is thanks to my new subs. I got a lot of new subs, so thanks for subscribing, guys. Also a big shout out, Modern Driveline. They are your Tremec conversion one-stop shop. If you guys out there are doing any kind of conversions, I don't care what car it is, see Modern Driveline. They have been taking care of me the whole way. They've supported me on every issue we've had, and it's really not been a Modern Driveline issue. It's just been more a Tremec thing where some parts were wrong that were packed in the kit. Parts didn't fit, but anyways, Modern Driveline is taking care of it. They've taken care of me on the throwout bearing. So kudos to them. Again, if you're shopping, looking for that new Tremec, for that new conversion, for whatever build you're doing, guys, call Modern Driveline. Ask for Bruce. He's the owner. He will take care of you, coming straight from Coyote Productions. Check him out. Check them out. You won't regret it. Full-on support. They've been great. Thank you, Modern Driveline. Thank you so much. So let's get into this issues we're having. So quick update, guys, and also a quick thank you to the guys, to my subs that have purchased the parts already. By pure coincidence, a guy who bought my Ford Store wheels out of south of Chicago happened to be a subscriber. Didn't know that until we made the purchase, and anyways, he got a beautiful set of wheels, $1,000, wheels and tires. Super happy. Another guy with the shifter, Barton short throw, along with the Blowfish racing bracket, another sub. So kudos to you guys. And we got the Calimer sold to a guy out in California. Hopefully he's going to enjoy that. It's a boosted S550. So thanks to you guys. But let's talk about this conversion, what's going on. So a little more delay. We ran into another issue. So here's actually what happened. So should have, would have, and when you're picking parts out for your build, do what's right. I thought, one, I could get away with using a 4,000 mile, when new, it's only 4,000 miles on this throwout bearing, it's a McLeod. We just, a couple years ago, we put it in with the Calimer transmission, and so anyways, I got cold feet and decided the last minute, because I know the transmission was going in on a Monday. This was on Father's Day. I got cold feet and said, okay, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna put a Tilton on it. So in order to get that in time, the only place for me to order through was Summit. They had no tech support. So they sent the part on Monday. It was wrong part. It didn't fit. And because the trans was going in and timing and all, we just, then decided, okay, we'll use the old one. So we sent it back to Summit, and then we put the old one in just as of yesterday, and it's taken that long to get us to where we are today. And a big shout out to Scott's Garage, only because they are doing a phenomenal job. They've pinned everything. They wired the speed sensor that was from Bowler Transmissions. They wired that up, that speedometer converter, I should say. They wired that up direct per their recommendations, so it doesn't interfere with any of your Bluetooth devices in your car. So it's hardwired directly to the battery, positive and the negative. So getting back to where we are today, tech was bleeding the throwout bearing on Wednesday. And as soon as he fired the car, boom, the clutch went and throwout bearing blew. He could feel it in the pedal, and had to tear it all back down. All back down. Who would have known this would have happened? So I reached out to Modern Driveline. They took care of me. They got me a one that fits with all the pieces and fittings. sent it to me. So big shout out again to Modern Driveline. Thank you very much, guys, taking care of me. So that's what I said, and I won't tell you what came with that package, just because it's a big plus. So anyways, we are receiving that today, and it'll be installed, I don't know, maybe today or after the holiday. I know we got some measuring to do, some time as far as getting this new piece set up. The tech wants to make sure that he's got everything right. So this thing's coming together. So what I'm trying to say, guys, when you're doing a build, just get the right pieces the right time. The other thing is check and make sure before you start assembling or doing anything, check and make sure you have all the right pieces. Make sure everything fits if you can do that prior. That way you can catch things along the way and get them fixed. Report them out, to your supplier, in this case, Modern Driveline. Again, they took care of me for every issue. So kudos to them again. I cannot say enough about them. So that's kind of where we're at, guys, on the build. We're getting close. Probably by the end of next week, we'll see this come together. Hopefully sooner, but I'm not gonna rush. It is what it is. Something like this, you don't want to rush. So the guys down at Scotty's Auto, Kent, is taking care of me. He's, like I said, he's doing a great job on wiring everything up and making sure everything is right. In fact, they have to tear down the clutch again to make sure that it didn't get hit with the brake fluid. So it is what it is. Again, all is good. But guys, that's where we're at. On the upside, guys, with these part sales, we're looking at the end of the summer for our heads, cams, Miller oil pump gears, and we'll be getting that in another video. We're gonna go through our parts, show you guys what we have. We're gonna talk about the build again, to refreshing you guys and to the new subs, so you guys know what's going on in this build. So super excited. It's an all boss build. This boss is going to be badass, top notch. It's going to be top notch transmission. It's going to be pumping some horsepower out on an all boss build. And then what are we going to do later? Well, let's see what happens, because this car is going to be badass in the future. It's badass right now, in my opinion, and we're still moving the needle to the end. So guys, like what you see. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. You guys have a great day, and have a happy 4th and a safe 4th. So you all take care now.